Did you know that you can lose weight, or you can help yourself by losing weight by drinking this Turkish beverage called Cacık? It is made from grated cucumber, and then you're gonna want to add in some little bit of yogurt, plain yogurt, and then some little bit of salt, and mix together. You can either just mix and eat like this, or you add in water. And let me tell you some of the benefits of actually this drink, or this drink called Cacık. It is refreshing Turkish beverage made from yogurt, cucumber, water, and sometimes salt, and it offers potential benefits for individuals looking to manage their weight. Now, it has low calorie hydration. Like Cacık drink is low in calories compared to many other beverages, making it suitable for option for hydration without adding excessive calories to your diet. And also it has nutrient density. Despite being low in calorie, Cacık drink provides essential nutrients from yogurt and cucumber. One thing also you have to understand that it has the protein in the yogurt helps increase feeling all full or full throughout the day, which can help in control appetite and prevent overeating. Okay, consuming Cacık drink as part of meal or snack may help you feel satisfied all day long. Now, it also has other beneficial when it comes to health. So try it and let me know how it goes. Now, incorporating Cacık drink into a balanced diet along with regular physical activities can contribute to successful weight loss and overall health. However, it is essential to consider portion sizes and overall calorie intake to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Until next time, I'll see you.